Hello, good morning. My name is Bridget Melissa Pérez Puesaquillo. Welcome to my video. During my learning, mainly in primary school, I received a lot of understanding from my teacher, Diomira. She borrows letters of the alphabet, but what I remember most about her is that she used to teach pedagogically by doing children's rounds so that we were understanding. When I practice my profession, I will use that when of teacher because I know it works. I am going to do easy games and then some small quiz so that they learn better. And I will be your companion. I will be to support and teach so that they learn from my and have empathy and discipline, giving them interest and motivation every day to move forward. Seem them grown not so much in education but also personally, so that they have a good future. Polite and hardworking, generous, friendly, smart, and loyal, and so be a good person. And I am a teacher who loves her students. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.